Hello viewers. Well, my last video to Gloucester Tops had some drone footage missing because, as any of you who viewed it would know, my drone was swallowed by the wilderness. My fear of injury or death trying to cross slippery waterfalls and retrieve said drone prevented the inclusion of the footage I had taken that day. However, I've been able to download a low resolution version from the controller, which had copies stored in its cache, and make this video. Now, I did make a bold statement in the last video that the footage would have been especially good. Well, now you have the opportunity to check it out for yourself, even though it's not as clear as the original from the drone would have been. So, I apologise for the image quality, but I'm pleased to have something to show, as I think it still represents how great this area of the Barrington Tops is and how lucky we are to have access to these regions. I was obviously disappointed in losing the drone and was contemplating not replacing it, but with some supportive words from my wife and believing that the extra footage gives diversity to these videos, I have invested in the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which has had a price drop prior to the release of the Mini 5 Pro this month. I know I'll be a little bit hesitant now to go in for some of those closer shots, and hopefully time will rebuild my confidence. Finally, thank you to everyone who acknowledged in the comments section the bugger of losing the drone. I appreciate the recognition of what had happened. Well, looking forward, we'll see where I end up next time. Thanks for watching viewers, and watch out for the quick ending. Cheers.